Samsung has just given the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a camera upgrade that many people did not expect. It is called Ocean Mode and it is designed to improve underwater photos by making colors look better, details sharper, and images much clearer. This feature first appeared in a limited form a few years ago, but now it is expanding to more users and more devices. And this time the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is joining the list. Ocean Mode originally arrived with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but back then it was not made for regular users. Samsung introduced it mainly for oceanographers and researchers working on coral reef restoration. The goal was simple: help capture more accurate underwater images in difficult environments. Water changes the way light behaves, and that often makes photos look dull, blue, green, or blurry. Ocean Mode was created to solve that problem. Earlier this year, Samsung made the feature available for Galaxy S26 Ultra users. Later, it also reached the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung is bringing the same technology to one of its most premium foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The feature arrives through a new update to Samsung's Expert RAW app. The latest version adds Ocean Mode support to the Fold 7, and that means users can now test advanced underwater photography tools on a foldable device. If you own the phone, you simply need to update or download Expert RAW from the Galaxy Store. There is one important thing to know. Ocean Mode is not available in the regular camera app. It only works inside the Expert RAW app. So if you are expecting to open the default camera and see the option there, that is not how it works right now. There is another limitation as well. On the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Ocean Mode only works when the phone is folded. That means you cannot use it while the large inner display is open. Some users may find that surprising, but it likely helps with handling and camera positioning in real use. So what exactly does Ocean Mode do? The biggest improvement is color correction. Underwater photos often lose natural reds, yellows, and warmer tones because water filters light differently than air. As a result, images can look flat and lifeless. Ocean Mode adjusts those colors to bring back a more natural look. It also improves clarity and detail. Underwater scenes can easily appear soft or hazy, especially in lower light. Samsung says this mode helps produce cleaner and sharper images, making subjects easier to see. Whether it is fish, rocks, coral, or pool shots, the final image should look more impressive than a normal underwater photo. Another useful feature is the built-in timer option. Users can set the camera to take photos automatically every 2, 5, or 10 seconds. This can be very helpful underwater, because touching the screen repeatedly is not always easy. You can position the phone, start the timer, and let it capture images at set intervals. Now there is something very important to mention. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 itself is not made for deep underwater photography. Even if the phone has water resistance, Samsung clearly recommends using a proper waterproof housing that can handle water pressure. That means Ocean Mode is a software feature, not a promise that the phone can replace a professional underwater camera setup. This matters because many people confuse water resistance with full underwater protection. A quick splash or rain is very different from diving underwater for photos. If you plan to use Ocean Mode seriously, the right case or housing is essential. What makes this update exciting is not just the feature itself, but what it says about Samsung's direction. The company is taking camera tools that once felt niche and bringing them to regular users. That means more creative options for people who enjoy photography, travel, or content creation. It also shows Samsung is continuing to support foldable phones with unique software features, not just hardware changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 already stands out because of its folding design, large screen, and premium cameras. Adding special tools like Ocean Mode makes it even more interesting. There is also a good chance this is not the end of the rollout. Reports suggest Samsung may bring Ocean Mode to more Galaxy S and Galaxy Z devices soon. So if you own another premium Galaxy phone, your device could be next. In the end, Ocean Mode may not be a feature everyone uses daily, but it is the kind of smart upgrade that adds real value. Better underwater colors, clearer details, timed shooting, and more creative freedom all make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 an even stronger camera phone. And for users who love trying something different, this update could be a lot of fun.